How to fix screen dimming in Realme 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option display and brightness. Now click on it, and if you turn on your auto brightness, then turn it off. After turn off your auto brightness, then turn off your dark mode. Now here if you turn on your dark mode, then turn it off and then click on schedule. Now here you can schedule dark mode. If you turn on, then turn it off. After turn off these buttons, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.